Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi. Hi Putri. How are you? Good. Alright, so ada Putri, got Putri, Nadra, and Hana. So in this, we have 6 students in this class. So we're gonna wait for another three of your friends to come in. Maybe give like 2 minutes. Okay. Alright. So can you guys see my screen? Okay. Okay. What did I check? Alright. Okay. Good. So in today's lesson, we're gonna learn decimals. So who have learned decimal in school? Hana. Hana, have you learned decimals in school? No, not yet. Nadra also not yet. Okay, Putri has. Okay, Putri has. Okay. Alright, okay. Only Putri, okay. Alright, okay. Where is your friend? Alright. So it's time already. I think we should start now. Okay, let's reset prayer first. Okay, so today, since only only Putri that has learned decimals, so I guess that we need to start over. Okay, Putri, start over again. Since Nadra and Hana, haven't learned. All right, okay. So decimals. So decimals is like a whole number. It's like normal number. Okay, let me show you. It's like so we have, let's say we have 1, and then we have 2, then we have 3, 4, 5. So these numbers, we call them a whole number. Whole number. Whole number. Okay. Nombor bulat. Whole number. Okay. What about decimals? Who wants to answer? Putri lah. Since you've learned in school, what is decimal then? So decimals is a number in between two whole numbers. Okay, so it's a smaller number like this. So if you see any numbers such as, so in between 1 and 2 you have 1.5, say. So 0.5 here, 1.5 here, we call it decimals, decimal number. Okay, so, and then what about 2 and 3? Numbers between 2 and 3. It could be 2.1, it could be 2.2, until 2.9. So this is what we call decimal. When you see dot here, it's decimals. So basically, the addition, or if you want to subtract or multiply or divide, decimals number is going to be the same as whole number. Okay, it's just that you have to know the placement of the dot here, the decimals here. Okay, right, so that's a little bit of introduction of decimals. You can take note lah. So if you want to ask questions, stop me and ask me, teacher, I want to ask question because I don't understand. Stop me. Okay. Okay, Nadra, Hana. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next slide. All right. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. So hi kids, welcome to class. All right. So like I said earlier, with decimals, it's going to be similar to whole number. to the normal number. So let's try. Today we're gonna do so we're gonna try do addition first. Addition, okay? All right, okay. So with decimals, so let's do 1A first. Okay, let's everybody focus on 1A. So here, complete the following. We have 0.29. We have 0 here, 0.29, and plus 3.48. So this is how you write. This is how you add decimals number. It's going to be the same. 3.48. Okay, decimals and decimals, the placements of decimals have to be in line. Okay, decimals follow decimals, cannot be any other places. You cannot put 0.29 and over here and then you add, suddenly you put 3.48 over here. No, decimals have to follow decimals. Okay, when you are calculating numbers in decimal, it has to follow. All right, okay. So like normal as similar to whole number, you just add normally, like as usual. So Putri, so I want Putri to help me. Can Putri help? Okay, so what is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, 7, put 7 here, and then bring 1 up. Okay, so we put 1 over here above 2, and then we settle this part. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Plus 1? Okay, 7. Alright, what about this? Okay, again, decimals follow decimal. So decimal follow decimal. Okay, put decimal here. Alright, so 0 plus 3 is going to be 3. So the answer is 3.77. Such simple as that. Okay. Alright. Okay, I want so this is rather pretty easy. Let's try something complicated. Okay, let's do 1E. Can we do 1E? Number 1, guys, number 1. Number 1, E. Yes, here, over here, E. Number 1, E. So we have some number here. We have some number. We do not know what number. Plus 3.08 equals to 9.154. So how do you solve these questions? Okay, do you want to try do it first? Both of three of you, Hana, Nadra, and Putri. All right. Okay, try solving it first. Okay, I want to see how you understand. Like I said earlier, it's going to be the same as previous what you've learned with the whole number. So it's going to be easy, this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna calculate it myself too. So 9.154 minus 0.04 equals to 14 with here and 0.3. Six, 0.6. We got 0, and then 6.060. All right, okay. Okay, Putri finished. Okay, what about Nadra? Okay, Nadra, can you tell me your answer? Okay, Putri want to tell. Okay, what is your answer, Putri? 6.060. Okay, Putri is. Okay, Putri gets 6.060. Nadra? Nadra is 6.088. 0.88. Nadra is 6.088. Okay, Nadra. Hannah, what is your answer? Are you oh, you're still doing it. Okay. All right. Okay. It's okay, Hannah. It's okay. It's okay. So let's discuss with each other. So when you have, okay, girls, when you have this kind of question, okay, when you have something over here, a bit different from A, where it's already given numbers, decimals is already given 0.29 plus 3.48, and it's asking you to find the answer. Okay, for E, you do not have numbers here. It's giving you the question is giving you the answer. You already have the answer. The answer to um, addition of a certain number to 3.08. Okay. So when you have this blank here, this kind of question, it's very easy. What you need to do is you take the answer, and then you minus, you subtract, you minus with the number that you have here. So in this case, we have the answer is 9.154. And then you have one more decimal number here is 3.08. What you do is that you minus, you subtract with this. Because, okay, let's do it. Let's minus first. So we have 9.154 as the answer, right? Okay, Hannah, can you look at me? Okay, you do not have to calculate. We decide. We discuss together. Okay, so 9.154 here is the answer. You do not know this. All right. So what you do is that you take the larger number, the answer here, and then you subtract with 3.084. Okay. And then okay. Can you help me, Hannah? Okay, try solve this. Help me. What is 4 minus 4? 4 minus 4 is 0, okay. What is 5 minus 8? Okay, 5 minus 8 cannot. Okay, what do you do then? All right. Okay, so you borrow from the number next to it. So you borrow from 1. So remember, when you borrow, you are actually borrowing 10, right? So you get 10 here. So this makes, okay, you become, oh, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Okay. So you yeah. So this number now become 15. Now that you have borrowed from the next number, so now you have 15. 15 can minus with uh, 8. Okay, what is 15 minus 8? Hmm. 15 minus 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So you get 7. Okay, 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, now Now that you've borrowed from 1 here, there's nothing left here. So it's 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, then here is 9 minus 3, 6. Oh, I calculated it wrongly too. Putri too. Putri too calculated wrongly. Okay, you must have put 14 over here. Alright, so the answer is 6.070. Okay, this is the answer to the question E. 6.070. Okay, okay. Wow, Putri. Okay, me and Putri almost close, getting a close answer. Um, so my fault is that I put 14 here. We shouldn't have put 14. Right. Okay. When you add, when you borrowing from the next number 3, you do not subtract the one that you have here. Okay. Just add. Wow. Okay. So this part is Nadra's. Okay. How come? How come you get 6.088 here? Nadra, were you following? Okay. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. Were you following, Nadra? Are you okay? Do you know how to get the answer? How we got to this point? Okay. All right. Do you have any questions? Okay. All right. Okay. If you do not have any questions, what about Hannah? Hannah, okay? All right. Okay. Okay. Let's try one more questions then. Similar to this ones, to check whether you are truly understanding or not. Okay. So why don't we do F? Let's do F. Okay. It seems like this is quite easy for Putri. Maybe because you have learned it in school. Yeah. Okay, you've done it in school before. Okay, so let's do F. All right, F. For F, again, we have a number here. In this equation here, we already have one answer. Answer is given. What number, when you add with 26.459 and you get 60.7? So what is this? What is the number in this? When you add to 26.459, you get 60.7. So like I told you, take the answer and then you subtract. All right. Okay. Three of hi. Okay, we have your friend is coming in. Hi Silmi. Where have you been? Yeah. You forgot we have class today. Okay. 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 So Hana, Nadra, and Putri, please continue. Do F. Okay. Do the calculation for F. Get the answer. For Silmi, so today, what we're doing is we're doing decimals. Have you learned decimals in school? Perpuluhan. Have you learned decimals? Decimals. You don't know what decimals is? Oh, okay. So decimals is like this. So let's say you have 1, and then you have 2, and then you have 3, 4. Okay. Okay. This number is you can go further lah. This number, but okay. I'm just gonna say that 1, 2, 3, 4 is we call it as a whole number. Nombor penuh. Whole number. Okay. But with decimals, what you do is that, okay, let's say 1 and 1 to 2. So in between in between 1 to 2, to get from 1 to 2, you will probably have a lot. Like you're gonna have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, like that, until 1.9. This is what we call decimals. All right. It's similar to, oh yeah, your ruler. Your ruler is the example, okay? When you see your ruler, you have a ruler, right? So when you have a ruler, Imagine you have a ruler here, kan? So you will see numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, okay, 3, and so on. And then in between, you will see a small lines in between 1 to 2, in between 2 to 3. So those are decimals. Yes. So like this, 0.29 is a decimal number, 3.49 is a decimal number. Okay. So how you treat a decimals number is basically the same as you treat whole number. Addition is going to be the same, subtraction is the same, multiplications and division is going to be the same. I mean, you can get confused a bit, but the idea is that it's mostly are the same. You will see. Okay, so now your friends are doing addition and subtraction of decimals. So they are doing 1F now. All right. Silmi, if you want to try, do answer 1F. That would be great. Yeah. Try answer this one first. If you do not know, it's okay. We'll discuss together with your friends. Okay, but try do this first. All right. All right. So we have 60.7. We have 60. So I'm gonna change now. I think I'm gonna change to black color. Yeah, tak sakit mata. 60. We have 60.7 minus 26.49. Okay. So zero, zero. Okay, Putri finish. Putri already finished. Nadra also. Oh, Nadra good. Okay, Hana. Let's do this. Okay. All right. So let's discuss this 1F. So we have 26.459 plus something plus a number, and then the equal to 60.7. So what you do again is that you take the answer because it's going to be the largest, obviously it's going to be the largest number compared to these two. So take this and then you subtract with 26.459. Okay, and then you will get to this number. You will get this number. All right. So I want Nadra to no, I want Hannah again to help. Can Hannah do? Can Hannah? All right, Hannah, can you help me? Okay, okay. So okay? So this is how we subtract. Did you get? Okay, you haven't finished. Okay, good. All right, okay. All right. Okay. So what is? Okay, I'm gonna show you. So earlier we do not have 60.7, right? I mean earlier we do not have zero over here. But when you are subtracting and you have a number more, so we have 7 over here and we have 4 at the bottom, but above 5 and now we do not have anything. So actually it's actually a zero. You can put zero here to help you out. When you do not have any number above your numbers, you can actually put 0 to help you subtract later on, to help you minus. Okay, now Hana, what is 0 minus 9? Can you subtract 0 with 9? No. And then what you do? You borrow. Okay, you borrow from where? Borrow from the next person. Okay, the next number. Can the next number give you anything? In this case, no, because it's also 0. Okay, when it's also 0, what you do is you borrow again, from 7. So when you borrow from 7, you're actually borrowing you are actually borrowing for the number in the middle here. Yes, so borrow from 7, so you borrow 10, so it becomes 6 over here. So you borrow this, so this one is becoming 10. All right, so now this is already 10. Okay, now can this 0 borrow from this? Yes, because this already have something. So borrow from 10, you become 9, and then this one become 10. Okay, are you following, Hannah? Okay, good. So can we subtract now? Can. Okay, what is 10 minus 9 then? 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. Decimals follow decimals. So decimals here, and also decimals can be here. Right. Okay, so now, okay, we're going to borrow again. So 0, borrow from 6. So 6 becoming 5. So it's giving 10 to 0. So 0 become 10. What happens to 10 then? 10 minus 6. So becoming 4. Then 5 minus 2 becomes 3. So the answer is a 334 point. The answer is 34. 34.241. Okay, the answer is 34.241 equal to 60.7. Okay, Hannah, okay. Are you really getting it? Okay, Nadra, okay? Nadra, okay? Putri also okay? I'm sorry, Simi. Simi following. Are you following? Okay. So okay, you don't. Okay. Okay. Let's redo again for Simi. Okay, Simi. So we are doing addition. We are doing addition of decimals. So basically, it's the same as you're adding 1 plus 2 equal to 3. It's the same when you add, when you say 4 plus something, you get 6. Okay. What is 4 plus, what is this number? You have 4. And then you are adding with a certain number and you get 6. What is this number? 2 is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's the same. So how do you get 2? So one of the ways is that you will minus 6 with 4. 6 minus 4, you get 2. That's one of the ways. So it's the same with decimals. You treat decimals similarly to whole number. So when you have this kind of question right here, when you have 26.549, you add with something, some number you do not know, you get 60.7. Okay, Silmi, up to now, are you following? Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna erase this part first. All right, so when you have 60.7, when you have this kind of questions, what you do is that you take the answer, Sami, you take the answer, you subtract. You minus with the number given. Okay, then you will get the answer here. So what you have here is we have 60.7. So what we have is 60.7 minus with 26.45 and 9. My 5 is a bit weird. Okay, so 5. Pretty. Alright, okay. 60.7 minus 26.459. Alright, okay. So minus as usual. So you have 0. You're going to put 0 here to help you out. Because 60.7 is sama je, the same as 60.700. Okay. Alright, okay. The other three, Hana, Nadra, and Putri still following, okay? Okay, I think you know, but we're gonna help Silmi. Okay. So now that we have 0, we have already a clear number here. You can now subtract. Okay, what is 0 minus 9? Okay, you cannot minus 0 minus 9, you cannot do because 0 is smaller. You cannot, a smaller number cannot be subtracted to a larger number because you're already small. Okay. Alright, okay, see me already know. Okay, borrow from the next number. Okay lah, borrow lah. Borrow here. Can borrow or not? No, cannot borrow. Okay, cannot borrow, then borrow from 7. Borrow from 7, 7 become 6. 0 become 10. And 0 over here. Borrow from 10, so 10 cut jadi 9. This one become 10. Following. Okay, good. For now, okay. Now, Simi, can help me? Can you help me solve this? 10 minus 9, what is the number? What is the answer? 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. What about 9 minus 5? 4. What about 6 minus 4? 2. Alright. What about this one? Borrow. Okay, borrow from 6. So 6 become 5. So become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then do not forget the decimals here, the points here, 34. Points follow, decimals follow. So 34.241 is the answer. So meaning that when you add 34.241 with 26.459, you will get 60.7. That's what it means. All right, okay. Okay, if you are good, why don't you, 4 of you, I want you to do A and B. Solve 2A and B. So this one is a bit complicated because it's in words, not fully numbered. So try understand the word, the sentence first. Okay. Try understand, try do. I will do it too. Okay. So what is 1.5 more than 39 times 0? Yes, Silmi. Yes, we are doing number 2. I'm sorry. Okay. We are doing number 2A and 2B. Can you try? This one is a bit complicated. Not too complicated. It's just the word. So it want to test whether you understand the instruction or not. Okay, try do 2A and 2B. 2A over here, number 2 here, A and B. All right. Okay, why don't we try to discuss? Should we discuss? Who has finished? Putri finish. Nadra also finish. What do you get, Putri? Can you put in the chat what is your answer for A? 2A, Putri and Nadra. Okay. Okay, Nadra got the same too. Hannah, I don't know, teacher. Okay, it's okay, Hannah. It's okay. We will help you. It's okay. So it's not hard. We will help. Okay. Okay, Silmi, okay. Okay, should we discuss now? I think we should discuss now. All right. Okay. Okay. So, okay, we do number 2A first, okay? 2A. So the question is asking what is 1.5 more than 39.05? So what this question's asking really? What it wants? What does it want? Putri. So it's asking, huh? So okay, it's okay. You don't know. All right, okay, 39.05. Okay, what is 1.5 more than? If you see questions with more than, it means plus. Remember, it's okay. Jot down a bit. Jot down. Okay, write down a bit. If you see more than, it is equals to plus. It means plus or addition. Okay, write down in your book. Okay. All right. Okay. So the question is really asking a number, about a number. So we have a number here. Say the number that we do not know, but what we know is that this number here is 1.5 more. The number is 1.5 more than so it's 1.5 more than 39.05. So it's a little bit bigger. This number here is a 1.5 bigger than 39.05. So what you do is basically you need to add 39.05 over here to get you need to add 39.05 with 1.5 to get the number here. So it's asking what number is 1.5 bigger than 39, bigger than 39.05. So it is bigger than 39.05 by 1.5. So what you do is that you add 39.05, you add with 1.5. So you get, the answer is 40.55. So as usual, just bring it down. 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5. Decimals follow decimals. Then you have 9 here, and then 9 plus 1 is 10. Bring 1 up, and then 3 plus 1 is 4, so it's becoming 40.55. So 40.55 is the number 1.5 bigger than 39.05. Clear? Hannah, clear how to answer this question? Clear? Okay. Are you okay? Are you copying it down? Can you copy it to your notebook? Everybody, everyone. Hannah, Nadra, Putri, Silmi. Okay. So everybody finish? Okay, sekejap. Sekejap. Alright, okay. So 2B. Alright, okay, 2B. Putri finish 2B. Okay. So for B, Hannah also does not know how to answer. Alright. Okay, before that, I want to ask you, do you know the placement? I mean, do you know where to place? Like you have 4,000. Okay. Sorry. So, okay, questions B is asking 4,000 more than 5.79. So it's similar, right? Similar to A, right? Okay. So I'm just going to erase a little bit. This is a bit. Alright, okay. So what it's really asking is 4,000 as similar to 2A, it's 4,000 more than 5.79. So we have a number. So we have a number here, which is 4,000 bigger, 4,000 bigger than 5.79. So what is 4,000? Hmm? 4,000 is okay. Thousands is okay. Thousands is a number with a 30 when it's saying thousands. So okay, if 10 we have one number with 10 tens. If we have hundreds, we are going to have numbers with 20 starting with 20. We have thousands, we're gonna have a number starting from 3 zeros. Okay, so we have here is going to be 10, 100 and 1,000, right? So when it's saying 4,000s, so it's really is 400. Okay, right, Putri. Okay, 4,000. Okay. So I want to ask you, do you know, okay, so now that we have 4,000, so we know that 4,000s need to be added to 5.79. But do you know where to place 5.79? Anyone? Why do you put 5.79 here? We have 1020 third zero here. You are putting, so I put 5 in this position, at this spot, at the last zero. Why can't I put it here? 5 here. Why can't I put 5 here? Or why not put here? Why do I put 5 here? Does anybody know why? Nadra? Because it's one. What one? What do you mean by one? Okay, got it. Okay. So okay. Hannah, do you know where to put? The 5.79. Okay, you don't know. All right, okay. So basically, okay, let's go to, okay, in math, we have one digit number. We have one digit number, which is, what is one digit number? One digit number is going to be from 0 lah. 0 until 9. So this is one digit, hanya only one lah. Got one. And then later on we follow with, we have two digit number. Two digit. Okay, we have two digit number. We have one digit number from 0 to 9. Then we have a two digit. Two digit is basically starting from 10 until 99. Two digit number meaning that in the number I got two number, got number 1, got number 0, also get number 9 to 99. So in between 10 to 99, those are two digit number. And then we have following is a three digit. Three digit. So three digit number, it's starting from 100. Correct, Hannah. 100 to what? To what number, Hannah? To 190. No, not 199. It's 999 actually. So yes. So basically it has three numbers are following. That's three digit number. Okay. So when you know this, right? When you know this, so when you are calculating numbers, when you are doing addition or when you are subtracting or multiply, so what you do, okay. So we have, let's say I have 1 plus 1. So when you are calculating, you do 1 here plus 1, 2. Okay. What about I add 10 here? No, I add 11 lah. 11 plus 1. So you're going to put, okay, the far to the right is going to be one digit number. So you put 1. And the far to the left is going to be the biggest number lah you have. So in this case, we have 11. So the far to the right is going to be one digit number. And the far to the left is going to be the two digit number lah, which is 10. 1. So 1 here, where do you put 1? 1 because it's a one digit number, so it will follow one digit number here, the one digit column. Put here. So 11 plus 1 is 12. Oh, again. But then I want to add 111 plus 1. How do you put it? Okay, so again, so the far left is going to be, the far to the left is going to be one digit number, so put 1. The far in the middle is going to be 10 lah, number in 10. So 1, and then the far left is going to be number in 100, so 100. So where do you put 1? 1 is still one digit number. So when it's one digit number, you put it in the one digit call. So 111 plus 1 is 112. All right. Hannah. You're good. Okay, so okay, good. So when you know that is why I put 5 here. Because 4 here means 4,000. 4 thousands. The place here is 4,000. Number with thousands. Here is hundreds. Here is 10. Oh, sorry. Here is 10. Column for tens, and here is for one digit number. The one digit number, this is two digit number, this is three digit number, and this four digit number. Because 5 is only one digit number. Right? 5 is one digit number. It is accompanied with a decimal lah, 5.79, but it's still one digit number. And so because of that, we put 5 here. Hannah. Hannah can follow? Can you follow? Right, you understand now why I'm putting 5 here, not at other places? Okay, because of the digit. Alright. So just add the 400 to 5.79 and then you get, okay, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 5 is 5. Add like normally and then you get 4005.70.79. Okay. Alright, clear? Are you guys clear with my instruction? With my explanation? I'm sorry with my explanation. Alright, do you have any other questions? Silmi, okay. Alright, I know that you've never learned. 3 of you haven't learned this in school. Only Putri has learned, but I think this is pretty easy. Nadra is getting good at it, I guess. Hana also. Silmi, what about you? Do you think you need more explanation? Or you can try answering on your own now? Alright. Okay, so the next for the next class we are still going to do decimals because we haven't touched on really we haven't touched on a lot of things. We're only doing some basic things today. So next class is going to be after Raya. Next week we do not have class because it's Raya time. So the week after that we're gonna resume our class the week after that. Okay. So we will still do some discussions on decimals. Hopefully, your other two friends can join us, and the four of you, I will see the four of you in 2 weeks time. Yes, if you do not have any question, let me know if you need more explanation. Okay. 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 So if you do not have any more questions, good job today. I think everybody is doing very good job. Trying to understand very well. If really there's nothing you want to ask, we'll start the class here. I'll stop the class here and we'll meet in 2 weeks time. Okay. Okay. That's it for tonight. Happy holiday and selamat hari raya. I wish to all of you. Okay. All right, bye bye. You guys can leave. Bye. Bye, Putri. Bye bye. Why, welcome. Thank you, Silmi. All right.